Please subscribe to Hidden Truth.
Hi guys, you're welcome on Hidden Truth. Well, so UK scientists are starting a trial on a drug that could fight off coronavirus next week. Yes, UK scientists have been able to develop a drug that could fight off coronavirus, and they will be starting a trial next week. Well, so the British team has been given a green light to begin phase 2 human trials of the drug. Yes, and they have been developing the drug known as SNG-001 to help people with chronic lung disease fight off viruses. And it is believed that this drug could have the same effect on COVID-19. As at now, up to 10 hospitals will begin giving the inhaled drug to 50 patients next week, and a further 50 will be a placebo. If effective, it could be available for wider use within months. Chief Trial Investigator Professor Tom Wilkinson told reporters that the science definitely adds up and that they are learning about the pandemic every day. But that's why we need to do this study to understand whether the drug works. He continued that if we see positive signals of safety and benefits in patients, then we can move rapidly into much longer studies and even into treatment, and that he is optimistic that we will soon see results. This development comes after Boris Johnson revealed that the public health in England is close to perfecting an antibody that will be a game changer for diagnosis. The chief scientific advisor, Sir Patrick Vallis, said that public health in England is working on an antibody and they are progressing very fast. And this antibody will be valuable insight into the pandemic. Sir Patrick said that in his own words, he said that it is a game changer. It allows you to understand the proportion of population who's had this disease but hasn't had symptoms. It's going to be critically important for us to be able to monitor this disease well, because only being able to monitor it can we start relaxing measures again. Meanwhile, the government has announced that schools will close from tomorrow, and it is believed that London could soon be in a lockdown to slow down the spread of the disease. Well, so right now, the Queen is not in town. Yes, the Queen is not in town. She has escaped the capital, and on Thursday, that is today, emergency legislation is being presented in Parliament to allow the government to implement lockdown measures.